For me, guys, it's the simple things that make life absolutely brilliant and easy. This is a brilliant bit of kit. The Supereasy 1.5" close coupling kit. There is out also for the other kind of toilet, through bolts for cisterns. What's really good about this is, as you can see on the bracket, there's a little retaining clip that stops all the play within the bolt as you're trying to get through. So you've bottom of the toilet along with a donut, and then there's no play there. Literally, then what you do is you push it in. Like that. So easy, guys. And then that's it. What's good about these bolts is they're domed at the bottom, and then you've got your stainless steel nut as well for the other side. Literally put it in and it screws on so easy. Because of the dome end here, it stops, it makes it virtually impossible to get it cross-threaded or get it on wrong. Literally you can put it on and it just locates itself. It's so easy. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit, and I wish it had been invented before now. You've also got your pass-through with a posi rather than a straight, and then the same kind of retaining for the other side. So yeah, brilliant bits of kit. So remember the chance of winning one of these along with some other events, head over to the Installer Awards Plumber Social event and put your business card in and get drawn out, and then they will get sent out to you. Thanks for watching.